Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ubuntu 20.04 with Docker CE and a sudo user. Once done, create /srv/registry and generate TLS certs for secure communication. Insecure registries invite problems. Make sure port 5000 is free and firewall rules allow access. Choose storage now. Local file system is fastest to set up. S3 gives durability. Then pull the official registry image with Docker pull registry 2 and inspect the image. This gets you into the first actionable state to run the registry container. Now you configure and launch the registry container. Run it with volume mounts for data and certs. Set environment variables so the registry locates TLS files. If using S3 or other backends, either pass storage environment variables or mount a custom config. IML into /etc/docker/registry/config. IML, this controls storage, authentication, and logging. Once the container is running, tag an image for your registry and push to host 5000. These steps create a working registry and demonstrate how storage and TLS finish by enabling authentication and confirming client trust. Create an htpassword file for basic auth and mount it into the container. This prevents anonymous pushes. Make sure the client has your CA certificate in /etc/docker/certs. D/yourhost 5000/ca. CRT so Docker trusts TLS. Once configured, push and pull a test image. If something breaks, check container logs with Docker logs. Verify port and firewall settings, confirm correct cert and key paths, and ensure file system permissions on the registry storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.